Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, and I want to take a minute real quick and show you a little trick where you can take your key fob and you can program it to your memory seat. Okay, so step one is going to be to get your seat in the desired position. All right, that's perfect. All right, step two is going to be to set your memory seat. Okay, the seat is in the correct position now. Okay, so step three is going to be to shut your door. And then we're going to take the key that you want to program it to, and we're just basically going to press on the memory that you want to have it set to. We're going to press and hold, and then we're going to press and hold on lock until the audible chime is done. All right, now we know it's set. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. We're going to go ahead and set the seat up a little bit to make sure that we can watch it go back into the correct position. Now that we know that it's off the current position, let's go ahead and shut the door. I'm going to go ahead and lock it. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit unlock on the key fob. And the seat's going back into the correct position. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tip. If you liked it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe.